and it's growing
in. Tell how close it is too. It's getting big, dude.
It's growing in size. It's probably about 3/4 of a mile wide. If it keeps growing, it's going to wind up being a mile wide.
Wow, dude.
Oh my God.
I've never seen anything like this before in my life.
Multi-vortex.
Yep. Is it okay for me to get out? Or let's go east-northeast through town.
Very large tornado. This thing, multiple vortexes, it's growing to almost a mile wide now.
Oh my God, Chris.
This is going to come dangerously close to Plains, Kansas.
Oh, wow. Humans are dead still.
Or nearly dead still.
To what they were a second ago?
It's still going.
Huge.
It's still going.
Oh, wow. Let's go north and east a little bit. This is humongous, Chris.
I did not expect this.
No. Alright, I wouldn't go any further.
I'm playing it safe. I'm not getting close.
This is a potentially deadly tornado right here.
I hope everyone can see, but this is a very large...
I want still pictures. I don't know. I can't. My video camera's dead too, so...
Just use mine.
It's getting wrapped in rain, too.
It's starting to wrap itself in rain. We may have to tail south. Real quick. You can literally hear the roar.
Yeah, that's close, Chris. That looks really close, man.